Finally, it's time to set up our camera and move on to the rendering. Let's click this little camera icon right here, and that'll show us what the camera sees right now. I forgot the side the camera is on, so we need to move the chopsticks a bit. Let's just select them by holding the shift like that. Press G to grab, lock it on the Y axis and move them right here. Select the camera object in the outline view right here and change its projection to orthographic. Right now it's in perspective, so as you can see, the further the object is from the camera or from the viewer, smaller it gets. But the orthographic view, which I'll show you right now, it's basically the technical projection used in geometry, and the objects doesn't change size based on the distance to the viewer or to the camera. But first, let's change the output resolution. It's right here in the output tab, and change it to something which has a ratio of 4:3. Right. And now we can back to the camera settings. And the last thing we need to do is changing the zoom, but moving the camera in and out wouldn't help because we are now in orthographic view, and as I said, the object's size doesn't change based on the distance to the camera, so you need to change this orthographic scale to be able to zoom in and out. So let's find some comfortable number like this. I think it was good after all. And the last thing we want to do to make the composition look better is to move camera up a bit. So let's press G with the camera active in the outline. Press G, Z to lock on the Z axis, and place it somewhere here in the middle.